Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone and iPad user reported that their iPhone keep popping up a new iOS update is now available. Please update from the iOS 14 beta. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. Solution number 1. Check for software update. To check that, first we have to go to settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, then tap General, tap Software Update. If update is available, tap Download and install. Wait until the downloading process is complete. Once done, install the update. Now your problem will be solved. Solution number 2. Turn off Set automatically. To set that, first we have to go to settings, then tap General, tap Date and Time. If Set automatically is turned on, turn off it. After that, change the date to October 28 or before. It will solve your issue. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.